back to the channel. You join me at Loton Park. It's the end of August 2022 and this is a double header back to back, Saturday and Sunday, the MG Car Club Speed Series. So I've never done Loton Park before, but already just walking around the paddock, starting to walk up the track. Looks like a very professional setup outfit, looks like a very good track, good tarmac. The weather is dry today, so looks like we're on for a really good weekend. So it looks like it's steeply out the climb, second, third gear, and then I don't know what's going on here. We're going downhill. So a couple of corners in and we've got a downhill left, which is fairly tight off the back of a fairly quick third gear, I reckon. So I think this corner is going to be quite interesting. By the looks of it, it goes straight up there into a 90 right. And then at the top of the main climb, you've got this 90 left, which sweeps into a 90 right. And then it's flat out, second, third, all the way to the finish line. Right then, time for the usual procedure, scrutineering, signing on, then to practice. So some fabulous views at the top of Loton Park, and a chance to reflect after practice. And there's quite a lot to learn on this course, a lot of short type corners, so getting better slowly but still not quite on the pace. So we're into the time runs now, so I'm going to have to push that a little bit harder, brake a little bit later for the corners, and see if we can get anywhere near that target time. So that was Saturday, a good day, some good times, been really pleased with how the car's been running. Fantastic course, really impressed with Loton Park. So let's get straight into Sunday's activities and see what happens tomorrow. Day 2 then at Loton Park. The sun's out again for another great day of sprinting. Some good times yesterday. Not quite where I need to be, but hoping to build on that today and get up to the target time that I'm trying to get to. Challenge today then is to learn the course a little bit more, get a bit smoother, not brake quite so hard into some of the corners, fast exits, and that'll be the way to pull the time down, starting here at Triangle and then moving on up through the course. So with all the scrutineering and setup done, we're on to practice, but you've seen that yesterday, so I'm not going to bore you with that. Let's get straight on to the timed runs and see where the action is. So there we have it, Loton Park over 2 days. The cars performed well. I'm really pleased with the times. Of course, they'll go forward to the various championships. But that's it for now. As we move on now, we look forward to the next event, which is going to be Harewood, another track that I've not done before, so very much looking forward to that. So once again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for all the likes, the comments. Thanks for subscribing. See you on the next video.